Hey, welcome to 5 Minute Music. I'm Derek, and I want to show you how to play guitar chords. Just the fact that you're here studying on your own time, learning a skill, tells me a lot about you, and it tells me that you can do this. You're going to do a great job, so I'm excited. So I want to share with you one strategy of how to think about guitar chords and moving between guitar chords, and I want to give you one exercise. But I want to start with how you think. A lot of people will just learn one chord, and then they'll learn another chord, and they might start learning about key connections, how the chords function in a key, and that is fantastic. You should do that. But I don't want you to overlook the mechanics of how your fingers move between the chords. And there's three main ways they do that. One is that they move in the same shape. And if you'll notice here, I have 4 chords for you: E major, A minor, C major, and D major. And just a quick overview of how to read this chart. Here's your string names from thickest to thinnest: E, A, D, G, B, E, 6th to the 1st. And then you'll notice the lines, those are your frets. The zeros mean play that string open. 1 means use your index finger. 2, that's your middle finger. 3 is your ring finger. And for these particular chords, that's all you need. And I'm going to show you the 3 ways chords move between each other. The first way is that some chords move between each other with the same shape. Bar chords do that. Check this out. So there you go. It's the same. My fingers aren't changing shapes. They are just maintaining the same shape and moving. So this first change, E to A, is that shape. Watch this. It's the same shape. E, dropping down to A. You can see my fingers. I'm just shifting over a string, and you can see the pattern here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, just moving over a string. So I want you to think about when you're playing your guitar chords, are they the same shape? And if they are, you're just moving from one place to another. The way you think, thinking simplistically like that, believe it or not, makes it a lot easier to shift chords, because you're not thinking, oh, I've got to do 4 different things or 3 different things. No, you're thinking, I'm just creating a shape and moving it. Shape and movement. Now you're thinking of 2 things instead of shape, movement index, movement. You're thinking about all the individual fingers and all that. And that starts to bog your brain down. But if you think, same shape, and I'm shifting, your brain has a lot less to focus on, and you're going to be quicker. Trust me on this. So, same shape. The second way chords relate to each other, motion-wise, is that they'll have notes in common. This is the next one. A minor to C major. Watch this. A minor to C major. The only thing that changes, look, you can see it. 1, 1. 2, 2. It's the 3rd finger that moves from there to there. Now watch carefully. See? See it? It's all that's moving. So you're going to be looking for chord changes that have the same shape, chord changes that have notes in common, and here's the 3rd way. Sometimes they don't have either of those. Check this out. C major to D major. Check it out. Look. There's no notes in common. Complete movement. This is what I call a guide finger change. So I'm going to be looking for a finger that I can kind of think about and focus on that's going to lead my hand to the next chord. And that's going to be my 1st finger. My 1st finger moves from 1st fret on the B string to 2nd fret on the G string. And I'm focused on that. Watch this. There it is. Going from there to there. That makes it a lot easier to think about. Now, I still have to move my other fingers, but if I have one finger to latch onto that gets me into position, the other fingers fall into place much easier. Now, we're going to go super slow, but here's the exercise I promised you. We're going to go E, A, C, D, E, A. So let me call it out. You have it there on the board. We're going to go slow. E, same shape, to A, fingers in common, to C, guide finger, to D, guide finger, to E, back to A. Now that's the last chord change you need to master, is the D going to the E. And check it out. My 1st finger again is the guide finger. 1st finger, 2nd fret on the G string, to 1st finger, 1st fret on the G string. You are just simply sliding backward fret. Try that on your own. This is Derek with 5-Minute Music. I hope that helps. I think it will. Hey, if you're having trouble with your tone as well, and maybe some things aren't quite right, check out my other series, How to Play Guitar, parts 1, 2, 3, and 4. That'll help you if you're having buzzing notes and things like that. I discuss how to fix that. So, hey, if you like this, please subscribe, click, like, share it with your friends, and thank you for being here. You can do this. Bye.